How to do a complete kitchen makeover on a budget. I'm standing in my own house, in my own kitchen, and as you can see, it's a very old style kitchen and it's time to give it a facelift. I'm going to take you through this journey we took in renovating our kitchen. Just to give you a quick rundown, we're going to remove the existing tops, existing backsplash and the existing cupboard doors and install all new. But before I can start with my project, I need to run all the way to the shop, collect all my tools, come back, then we can start with our kitchen renovation. So on my way to the shop to collect all the tools and equipment to start the project. And for us to be able to do this on a budget, we're going to leave the kitchen carcass as is. Just replace the tops, the backsplash and the cupboard doors. We're doing this on a budget because we are not planning to stay here for the next 2 to 3 years. We are planning to move to a new property within the next year. And we are pushed a little bit for time, so I've got a specialized tiler in to help us while I focus on the tops and the front cupboard doors. Remember, outside making content for YouTube, I actually got a company to run, so we've got 1 weekend to complete this project. This is day 2 of our kitchen makeover. Yesterday was a really productive day. Let me give you a quick rundown of what we managed to get done yesterday. So we finished the kitchen countertops and we finished the backsplash with the grouting. And last night I ended up doing the gas stove, and the zinc was installed last night. We also managed to install 3 front cupboard doors, as you can see at the back. Now today we are planning to do the rest of the kitchen cupboard doors, do some silicone, install some soft close hinges and new handles, and then it's the big clean. So after 2 days of grinding, we finally managed to finish our kitchen renovation project. We about 98% complete. There's 2 small items we got left we're going to finish this week. Like we have to paint this back wall, and there's screws I have to get at the hardware to fix that plug. That small items we're going to finish this week, and there's a few additional items we also want to add to our kitchen, which I'm going to show you now. But let me give you a quick rundown of the type of style and wood we went with, and also let me know what you guys think of this. So we went with an oak. We went with an oak kitchen countertop, which is absolutely beautiful. Then we went with a white subway backsplash style right around the kitchen, going through to that side. Then we went with a plain white kitchen cupboard doors with a normal standard aluminium handles, a little bit bigger than your normal ones. That's the type of style we went with. Nice clean look. And another addition we want to add a wine rack here at the bottom. We also want to add some types of rack here for all the vegetables and fruits and stuff, because this door never opens. So yeah, this is our kitchen renovation project. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you like this video, and I'll see you next week with another cool video. Cheers.